Hello traders, welcome to my channel. I'm back again with another video, guys. So guys, today I'm here to share some 4 tips with you. You know what I'm saying? So if you're new to the channel, my name is Juba Snipe, and I'm here to help you grow. I'm here to help you get to your dream in Forex market. So guys, today we got 4 things, guys. Just want to talk about. Remember guys, everything that I'm talking about is the things that you guys asking the most. You know what I'm saying? So if you got any question, remember, leave the comment below. Let me know what you want to know about, because everything I do, guys, I do it for you, right? I'm not doing it for me because I'm good, you know? So I'm not doing it for me, I'm doing it for you guys. So I have 4 questions right here. Somebody asked me like, yo, Juba Snipe, please help me with this question. How to become a profitable trader? You know what I'm saying? That's the first question, right? The second question is how to use proper risk management in a good way, right? The third question is, it is scalping in a market good or not? Somebody asked me like that. So today I'm gonna answer questions, guys, in a very good way. And somebody asked like, yo, please help me, can I scalp the market, or should I be a daily trader? You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna start with the first question, with the first one, and I'm gonna end with the fourth one. You know what I'm saying? So listen to this, make sure you watch the full video because it's going to help you a lot. I'm going to open your mind. I'm going to help you a good way, to show you the good way that you're going to be using in order to make money in a market, right? So if you're new to the channel, please hit the like button below, you know what I'm saying? And if you want to join the free Telegram group, as you know, guys, the link is always on the description. If you want to join the team, it's okay, you can text me like, hey, yo, I want to join the team, then you'll be able to join the team. So the first question is how to become a profitable trader in a Forex market. That's a very, I love this question, because man, becoming a profitable trader, first, listen to this, guys, you need to apply discipline in the market. You must be a disciplined person, bro. Like, if you really want to become a profitable in a Forex market, you have to change your mind, right? Fix your mindset, right? First thing, I don't know, maybe you might be still new in the market, but this is not a get rich overnight. This business that you came in is not like you coming to get rich overnight, but you coming to the business that's going to change your life for life. You will like it a lot if you can follow the process, and if you're gonna be able to accept all the struggle, but at the end of the day, you're going to make that money and you're going to change your life in the Forex market. That's the basic company that I love with my whole life, bro. Keep pushing for it. So let me answer questions, guys. So how to become a profitable in a Forex market, which means you have to be disciplined person, right? And then the other thing, before you become a profitable trader, you need to use a proper risk management, because the risk management is gonna help you, you know, stay consistent in a business. So I'm gonna talk about the money maybe you might be having in your account. Let's just say like you got 500 US dollars, and then you want to trade this money to make sure this money is giving you some profit. Remember what you came in. This is the business, right? So you need to make sure you're doing the business in a light way, all right? And you're not supposed to use that money at this like once, you know, or twice, you know. You have to make sure that money, let's say you got $500, you know, say, so you must make sure first you take a risk of 2% of your account capital, which is gonna help you to stay in the market for a while, you know what I'm saying, trading, you know what I'm saying, of course, you're going to be taking some trades, you know what I'm saying, you know, get you out, but you're going to be consistent, you know what I'm saying, as soon as you make the chart, you know what I'm saying, as soon as you make the chart, your friend, this is how you're going to make money, because you're going to be running every single day. Let's say today you took a trade and the trade went wrong. You know what I'm saying? Tomorrow you're not going to do the same thing, because everything on the chart shows, you know what I'm saying, shows after you lose the trade. The chart is going to show you like, yo, you lose this trade, the reason was this one. Maybe you were early in the market, because this happened to everyone, you know what I'm saying. Sometimes you enter the market, but you find out that you entered early, and then it's gonna hit your stop loss, and then it's gonna continue in your direction, you know what I'm saying. So it's gonna help you staying in a chart for a long time. It's gonna help you to be consistent in the market, and it's gonna fix your mind, because you're not going to do the same mistakes over and over. So you want to become a profitable trader, make sure you use a proper risk management. Take a risk of 2% of your account balance, all right, and don't do the same mistakes over and over. All right, so the second question, it was how is it a scalp a best way to trade, or day trading? So what I'm gonna say to you guys, when we're talking about discipline, we're talking about all these two things of getting in the market, getting out, getting in the market, getting out. This is called overtrade, you know what I'm saying. And when you overtrading, guys, which means you have no discipline in the market, guys. The market need respect, you know what I'm saying. You need to let the market move, you know what I'm saying, to show you a good structure, you know. So you don't have to jump in and jump out, jump in and jump out, losing, winning, losing. No, you don't have to do all this. Find only one trade or two trades per day, and make sure you use a proper risk management. I mean, make sure if you enter the market with a risk for $10, make sure you're going to make $30. Once the market enter, you first take profit, make sure you're going to make something about $30, which means you still save. Even if you take two trades and they went to the loss, and then the last trade hit the profit, which means this one trade is going to get to recover your loss from the your loss and give you the profit. So this is how you're supposed to do it. Stop scalping the market, even if you're still a beginner. Learn to take only two trades per day, you know what I'm saying. If you're still a beginner, learn to take only two positions of good setup. Only two. You know what I'm saying? Don't overtrade, bro. Make sure in a week you take like maybe let's say 10 trades. You know what I'm saying? And even if you're going to take 10 trades in a week, make sure your account allows you to do that. All right? Stop flipping your account. If you know you got only one account, stop flipping your account. Girl, I don't recommend scalping in a market. I don't recommend scalping for real. I really don't recommend scalping for sure. I don't, because I don't scalp the market. I'm that person who I trade, I put the first take profit, you know what I'm saying. I don't catch less than 60 pips. I don't catch less than 50 pips. This is how I trade. And I always make sure if I took the market that is going to give me 60 pips, I always make sure that that is 1:2. I entered with a stop loss for 25 pips, but I'm going to make 50 pips, you know what I'm saying, or 100 pips. Most of the time, I catch 100 pips, 150 pips, you know what I'm saying, but starting from 50 pips to 60 pips. So stop scalping the market, stop overtrade, fix your mindset, do the right things, start making money, you know what I'm saying, because we're here to make money. We're not here to lose the money, you know what I'm saying. Once you take a loss today, you take a loss tomorrow, it's okay. Keep going as long as you're using a proper risk management. You're not going to blow your account today or tomorrow, because if you're using a proper risk management, you're not going to lose your account today or tomorrow or after tomorrow just because you took three trades and your account is gone, which means you still need to fix your mind. So once you still losing for the first week and second week, you already lose half of your account, stop trading at least for 2 weeks, go back to the chart, you know what I'm saying, learn more, and then after that come back to the live account, trade. Once you start making profit and stick on the same way you used to be trading, you the same way that makes you a profit, you know what I'm saying. That's what the things you need to do. The things that you saw that gave you the profit. Let's say like, yo, I took double bottom or I took double top, and then this double bottom, they gave, you know, I made a profit, which means focus on the same strategy, the same thing that you saw in the market. Focus on that thing. Okay, let's say, okay, I've been looking in the market and then I saw like double top, you know what I'm saying, and I took that double top and then it gave me the profit. Stick on double top, you know what I'm saying, and keep learning more directions of the market, you know what I'm saying. Keep taking double tops. Once you see a double top, or I made the money through 3 touch to the trend line, and then I entered and I made money. Keep looking for the same entry that made you a profit. That's where you're going to become a profitable in a forex market. You're going to become a profitable in a forex market by looking at the chart. The chart, this is the only your friend you have, no any other, you know what I'm saying, no any other friend. It's you and chart. You're gonna be talking to the chart, and you know, talking to the chart, and the chart is gonna respond to you by sticking in your mind, you know what I'm saying. So make sure you do the right things. I'm out, guys. I hope this helps you a lot, you know what I'm saying. And if you still got some questions, you know what I'm saying, yeah, give me the questions, man. I love the questions. Leave the comment below. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know what you want to know about, because I'm trying to let you know, guys, things that are going to help you guys in this journey, you know what I'm saying, because we are here to make money, right? So peace, guys. I'm out. Make sure to do the right things. Make sure you subscribe and you like the video so that we can keep up this thing, you know what I'm saying.